Freedom Retro. Freedom Retro. All right, babe. We're gonna pop here.
The other day, out of the showroom floor only, I didn't get to drive it, but the new Corvette, the brand new 2020 Z06, oh, right out of the showroom floor, I'm like, when I was in the showroom, they were like,
Freedom Fireworks Retro. That was pretty good. Woo!